Hello, my dear students. How are you? I think I think you all are very fine. Okay. So today we start our next lesson number 3. A busy day for Fatima and Ali. Okay. So in this lesson we are going to study about the struggle of that villagers students. Struggle about villagers student. So उनको मतलब क्या they how they face their difficulty, how they face difficulties. Okay. एक स्कूल में जाने के लिए उनको क्या क्या फेस करना पड़ता है और क्या क्या डिफिकल्टी उनको फेस करनी पड़ती है, इसके बारे में हम इस लेसन में पढ़ने वाले हैं. ओके. So a busy day for Fatima and Ali. Okay. Fatima and Ali lived in a small village near Saharanpur. While people in towns and cities were sleeping, Fatima and Ali were having a breakfast of roti, ghee and gur with a glass of hot milk. Their Abba Aslam and had already gone to his sugarcane field. Their Amina had milked the buffaloes, swept the two-room house and made the roti and sabji for lunch. Okay. Fatima and Ali were excited. I am going to tell my friends that I had my bath in our new bathroom, said Ali. Gopal's father is also going to build a bathroom. It means here we can see that the lifestyle of villagers are very it means different from citizens, very different from citizens. देखो, जब सिटी के जो लोग होते हैं वो जब तक उठते ही नहीं तब तक वो जो फातिमा एंड अली है वो क्या होते हैं, मतलब उठकर वो क्या करते हैं, वो मतलब वो ब्रेकफास्ट खाते हैं और उनकी जो मम्मी या उनके फादर होते, फादर क्या करते थे उनके, वो अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग दे वेंट टू देयर फील्ड, शुगर कैन फील्ड एंड अम्मी क्या करती है, उनकी मदर क्या करती है, जो उनकी मतलब क्लीनिंग का काम करती है घर में, पहले क्या करती है, स्विफ्ट करती है, मतलब झाड़ू वगैरह लगाती है, उसके बाद में जो बफेलो होती है उनका मतलब दूध वगैरह निकालना, उसके बाद में नहाकर वो लंच प्रिपेयर करने के लिए बैठती है. ओके. देन उसके बाद में Ali and Fatima were very excited to taking bath in their new bathroom. Okay. In village we can see that it means their houses are not built up of कंक्रीट, जो कंक्रीट के रहते हैं क्या नहीं, वो मड के बने हुए रहते हैं. और जो इनकी जो मतलब उनके यहाँ पे बाथरूम वगैरह नहीं होते, तो वो इनके यहाँ पे अली एंड फातिमा के यहाँ पे भी पहले बाथरूम नहीं था, लेकिन अब न्यू बाथरूम बिल्ड किया, तो न्यू बाथरूम में नहाते समय मतलब उसको बहुत अच्छा लगा. ओके. देन हरी, गोपाल एंड गीता मस्ट बी वेटिंग फॉर अस, सेड फातिमा. Be careful when crossing the highway, said Ammi. The buses and trucks don't wait for anyone. So we have to take precautions while crossing the road. So in this village, so any village there is not a signal होते क्या वहाँ पे नहीं होते, लेकिन जो मतलब जो rules होते हैं while crossing the road, we have to always remember that we have to, when we walk on the road, so we use left side, and then when we cross the road, then that time we have to look at our, it means both side, left and right side, मतलब लेफ्ट या राइट साइड से क्या करना है, देखना है कि कौन सी साइड से मतलब बस आ रही है क्या, ट्रक आ रही है क्या, बिकॉज दैट हेवी व्हीकल नॉट ओनली एनी व्हीकल नॉट वेट फॉर एनीवन. कौन से भी मतलब किसी के लिए वेट करते हैं क्या, वो नहीं, वो किसी के लिए मतलब रुकते नहीं है. और इस अगर हमने केयरफुली वो जो रोड क्रॉस नहीं किया तो क्या हो जाता है, फिर एक्सीडेंट हो सकता है. देन नेक्स्ट व्हाट हैपन, वी सी. गोपाल एंड गीता वेर वेटिंग फॉर देम. Then here two friends also, Gopal and Geeta. It means Fatima and Ali, then Gopal and Geeta. Okay, so here we write important words. highway. Highway means main road. मेन रोड कनेक्टिंग टाउन्स एंड सिटीज, जो क्या करता है टाउन और सिटी को क्या करता है कनेक्ट करने वाला जो रोड होता है उसको बोलते हैं हाईवे. ओके, सो then their two friends also, it means Geeta and Gopal also waiting for them. It means in that village there are 4 students are live there. Okay, the 4 children walked on the mud path. Okay, they walked from the mud path between the sugarcane field. Between the sugarcane field, it means वहाँ पे जो पक्का रोड था क्या नहीं, वहाँ पे जो मड का जो रोड था और वो साइड से क्या थे sugarcane के फील्ड थे. Okay, Hari and Jamuna joined them at the next village. Then at the next village again 2 children joined them. Also Hari and Jamuna. And soon they were at the busy highway. So after some time they went on the busy highway. So cars and buses, trucks and motorcycles drove past them at the great speed on that highway, that all vehicles are very in great speed. So Ruxana and Aisha joined their friends. Then again 2 friends are joined there, Ruxana and Aisha. The children look left and right and then left again. So firstly they looked their left side and right side, then after some time they passed from that road. They held the hands of the smaller children and crossed the highway. They all that big students or big children held the hands of small students and they held to cross the road. Then next what happened? Their school building had only 4 classrooms. So many of the teachers taught the student in the shade of mango trees. Ali loved his maths period. Ali loved to study which subject? Math subject. Their maths teacher, Mr. Ravi, put his blackboard under the tree. Then who taught them maths? Mr. Ravi, the subject teacher or the maths subject teacher. Okay, then he put their blackboard on the where under the big tree, under the big tree. Okay, then he made the children count the number of mango trees behind the school, in front of the school and to the left and right of the school. Then he told to all students to count the small plants of the mangoes that back side of the school. Then Ali said Mr. Ravi, how many mango trees do we have around the school? Then Ali said, 50 sir, said Ali. No sir, said Bachchu, there are 49 trees. There are how many? 49 trees. Why do you say that, Bachchu? Said Mr. Ravi. One of the tree at the back of the school is a jamun tree. But there are only 49 plants of mango tree, because that from that all trees there was one jamun tree also. So how do you know that it is a jamun tree, Bachchu? Said Mr. Ravi. So Mr. Ravi asked to Bachchu, how you will recognize that? How you will identify that plant was different from other plants? Then we eat jamun from the trees every summer. The leaves are also different, sir. See, I brought 2 leaves to show you. One from the mango tree and one from the jamun tree. So how he identified that difference between the two plants? Because of the with the help of their leaves. Their shape of the leaves are different. Okay, the mango trees leaf are different in shape then, and jamun trees also, their leaf also different in shape. Then clever bird, Bachchu, said Mr. Ravi, the jamun leaf is also softer and the mango tree, the mango leaf and the shape are different as well. It means that jamun trees, that leaf is very soft than the mango tree, and that their shape also different. Their shape also different. The children washed their hands and sat down on the grass. Then after some time, the all children washed their hands and sat down on the grass. They opened their tiffin boxes and had lunch. After some time, what they doing? They just wash their hand, and they now they are sitting to having their lunch. When it was time to go home, the children walked in groups, walking groups up to the highway. A tractor with a trolley full of sugarcane was standing at the side of the road. So there was when school was, after some time the school was over, then they went at the home. So what happened? There was a tractor that with a trolley, and trolley is full of sugarcane से वो भरी हुई थी. So क्या हुआ? Chacha Raju was sitting inside the tractor. That Chacha Raju was sitting inside the tractor. Come children, I have some sugarcane for you. He has some sugarcane for that children. I have cut it into pieces, he said. Then he already cut that sugarcane into the pieces, and that pieces here that Chacha Raju distribute to students. Okay.